Good day everyone, and welcome back to our data analytics training. It's been a very long break for about a month now, thereabouts. So some circumstances beyond my control made it difficult for me to create the lessons. But thank God I'm back now, so we can continue from where we stopped. So today we want to look at the concept of vlookup. VLOOKUP in data analytics or in Excel means vertical lookup. The V stands for vertical. Alright, so you can find yourself in a situation where you want to find the corresponding data of something in your worksheet. For instance, we have golden penny rice, Dettol, Milo refill, Indomie. Let's say we want to find the unit price, of all these data. So they are usually vertical. You also have the one of horizontal lookup. So the vertical here means these items are in vertical order. Golden penny, Dettol, they are vertically, or they are in columns, and you want to find the corresponding items or the data. Let's say, for instance, golden penny, you want to find the unit price. Dettol, want to find the unit price. All right, so VLOOKUP becomes useful. I think we've talked about search. If you just want to find an item, you can just use search. Let's say I want to find Coca-Cola bottle, just click on search and find. So just type Coca-Cola. You can just alright, it finds the Coca-Cola. But in a situation where you want to find the another corresponding item, maybe the unit price of Coca-Cola, which is 250, that's where VLOOKUP, vertical lookup, comes handy. Alright, so what we'll do is let's say here we have the list of things we want to find their corresponding items, maybe Dettol. All right, and Milo refill. We have golden penny here. Penny rice. Alright, if we want to get the unit price or any other data corresponding to these items, so let me use the unit price. We'll make use of VLOOKUP formula. Alright, either we write the formula in this formula bar, or we can write it in the cell. Once you have equal sign, Excel is going to know that you want to write a formula. So you put the equal sign, then VLOOKUP. Alright, once you type the second two characters, it will suggest it for you. So double click on VLOOKUP. Alright, it will open a bracket, and VLOOKUP accepts 1, 2, 3. It accepts 4 arguments. Alright, 4 arguments. So Excel is going to expect you to give it 4 arguments for it to make use of this formula. The first one is, what are you looking out for? What are you looking out for? Alright, either you can click on it or you type it. So I'm looking out for golden penny. Once you click on it, it displays the cell where golden penny is. It's in C2. I believe you already know how to get the cell. This is C column, and this is row 2. All right, so C2, and the next one is table array. What's the range of table that you want to look up for? All right, what's the range of table? All right, so here in this range of table, you can see that the unit price is in F column. All right, you can equally put more range if you want, but I'm going to say I want to find from C2 to F16. All right, so this is the range of tables that I want to, or the range of cells I want to find what I'm looking for. All right, so the next one is which column is what you're looking for. What you're looking for, which column can it be found? All right, if you see, the unit prices are in F column, right? The unit prices are in F column. So the next argument in our formula will be to type in the column index number, the column that we want to find the corresponding data. What is the number? So from the columns we've selected, we see that we selected 4 columns, 1 2 3 4. So the number of the column that we are looking for, which is the unit price, is in the 4th column. The first column is product name, second one category, third one quantity, and the 4th one is unit price. All right, we want to find the corresponding unit price of the product names. All right, so here is in the 4th column, so we'll type in 4. All right, comma. Then the last argument is the range lookup. That's approximation. Do we want the exact match, or do we want to approximate it? All right, so if you want to approximate it, you can click approximate match, but I want to get the exact match. I want to get the exact match of the unit price. All right, so I'll have to click on false. Here means it's not going to be approximated, so that's the argument for exact match. All right, so our formula is complete. We close the bracket and then press enter. Just look at the formula very well. Vlookup is the formula, then the arguments, the lookup value, all right, the table array, all right, which is from C2 to F16, then the column index number, which is 4, and then the approximation. We don't need approximation, so which is false. All right, so here now we can press there's an error somewhere. Okay, we copied the formula 2 times, so I have to copy this formula 2 times. So we just need it once. All right, so this is just what we need. All right, let's press enter once again. Okay, you can see that it displayed the unit price for golden penny, right? This is golden penny, and the unit price is 10,500. all right, Okay, so if we also want to find the corresponding unit price for detour middle refill, we just need to select this and then uh, drag it down. You can see the unit price for detour is 850, the unit price for middle refill is 1200. So it makes the analysis of the data very easy for us. That's what we will learn in this lesson. I'll see you in the next lesson.